tripod head on a dolly.
No, right?
Just looking at that is so
Because if you do it too hard, then it'll go off.
And is that a buffer?
Is it a buffer?
Like,
Well, granted that nobody's used it in years, I don't, probably zero.
Okay.
You will have one person here, one person there.
Yes, then if you stand over there.